Hello guys, so this is a quick video. I'll show you how to enable the inspect element option here when you're developing Office add-in. So the first thing, very important when you're developing on a Mac, is to not getting a version of Office from the App Store. That is very important because it will not work. Okay, do not get these things. But instead, you can join the developer program to get the free access to Office 365. So let me show it here. So this is the developer program I'm joining. So you can click on install app here and download and install the app. So I have the applications ready, and the next thing you need to do to enable this, enable the inspect element so you can view console log and errors, is to okay, so get these options in the terminal. So this is, you need to write this to true, and when you read this, you need to see 1 here, and after that probably you need to restart the machine. And also very important, when you go to this you start the application, so make sure you go to your browser 3000, make sure it is HTTPS, and you should see this one is green. And also because Microsoft will install a certificate if you follow the step to set up the development environment. So it will install a CA, and you need to trust. If you see a red lock here, so you need to trust the certificate. And then here let me quit Excel, and then you can run npm or pm start. This is for npm. I install on my PC, on my Mac, and this is the start, and it will default to desktop, I guess, and start. And then you can right click and view inspect element here, and have the console ready for you to really see what is going on. So that is for this video, how you can enable the inspect element in Mac for Excel or other Office related add-ins development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.